Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, y'all see this? This is 2016, 17 Chrysler Town and Country 3.6. Now, y'all know I'm a team player, right? I'm sure y'all know that. Yes, somebody diagnosed this, guys. This got the 62 TE transmission in it. Somebody diagnosed this. Y'all see what this is? It's a valve body, right? It's weird because the guy that diagnosed it not too fond of putting them on, or don't want to put it on, or can't put it on. I don't know which one. But so I was given the daunting task. Some of us in here cannot say no to any repairs. We can't even utter the word no. I can't do that. You know, our pay is reflected upon what's perceived that we can do. Okay, so some of us at that scale where you're paid to do everything we need you to do. My point is, you don't want to do it, or you can't do it. I don't think they feel comfortable with him doing it. But it's just a valve body, guys. Now, here's my issue. I'm not diagnosing it. In fact, I think somebody else, I don't know. They saying it's the part, it showed up, they want me to put it on. So that's where I'm at. Now, how do you put a valve body on a 62 TE? It's been a minute, guys. It's been a while since I did transmission work. Anything besides replacing this thing, okay? No, the transmission do not have to come out. However, the pans do, because the valve body is inside of here. So I'm going to have to take the side pan off and the bottom pan. Take the bottom pan off merely to drain it. I don't know. I'm going to play it by ear. But yeah, I got to get this pan off to get to this. I don't know. I ain't too thrilled about doing it, but like I say, in some cases you can't utter the word no. I'm ready to get to my table. This is my shh. Y'all be quiet. This is my YouTube table, right? Y'all remember the heater core I did? Oh, I still ain't uploaded that video. But guys, yeah, we gonna bust this open, guys. This partially restricted. Okay, so I'm grabbing my cutter. We cutting deep down inside. We gonna look at some things. This is the water pump I put on that. I don't know why I'm keeping this. Throw this away. Oh, this is the CVT that came out of my Russian buddy's car. It was junk, scrapyard, so I decided to set it over here because we're going to play with it. Now, I'm going to have to go refer to Tim at Online Repair Videos and get a refresher course. This is CVT. I've never built one. I don't plan on building this. I'm just going to go inside and, guys, we're going to talk about it. All right, y'all remember this head? Oh, my goodness. See how behind I am? We supposed to been tearing this apart a long time ago. What happened? Oh, right here. Y'all see that? That's a crack in the exhaust valve. I want to say cylinder. This is bank 2. I know that. So if this is on the car, this would be 6. Cylinder 6, guys. It had a misfire in cylinder 6. Look at that again. See that little crack right there? That showed up on a compression test. Will it have shown up on a leak down test? Likely so. Absolutely. Okay. But this is one they had threw everything at it. The kitchen sink. You talking about parts cannon. It must need an injector. This must need a complete intake manifold. Wait a minute. All right. That's enough. We don't know what else it needs. It's likely internal, guys. So, like I say, and guys, I'm going to be real with you. I'm going to be honest with you. Sometimes this don't show up on a compression test. It's a crapshoot. But at that point, you need teardown time anyway. So if you tear it down and remove the head and you see this, you know where you need to go. But this should show up on a compression test and or a leak down test. Look at that crack. I'll make sure y'all get a good picture of that because I might use this as a screenshot. Yeah, so this is my YouTube table. All right, we got to keep that on the low. Oh my goodness, this freaking engine still over here, guys. We were supposed to tear this down. I still ain't got around to doing it. I got to catch up, man. I am way behind because this has got to go. He told me to get this crap out of here. So it's either going to the junkyard without me tearing it down. All I want to do, guys, is show you guys the timing setup. And remember, this the one had the low compression in cylinder 1. I put on that charger. Watch this video right here. This is where I replaced this engine. I remember. No compression, not low. No. compression in cylinder 1. Which one is cylinder 1? I think this is cylinder 1. Mike can see straight down. No, so yeah, you need major tear down to find that. When I say tear down, I mean take the head off. So I just ain't got around to doing it yet. So it's still sitting here. I'll get around to it, guys. Where's this? I'm not gambling with these no more, guys. So I don't know why. I can throw these away. See, some of the earlier built had orange seals on all of them. See how flat that is? This is what's likely going on. So y'all see the one I put on that Jeep, how thick those seals are now? So in my opinion, they have come to the conclusion that the seals are poorly designed. They need to be thicker. I don't know. Remember, guys, at first they blamed it on you guys was over tight torquing the cap, putting a socket on it and turning it too much. Crack! That made it leak. So now it came down the pipe that if it's warranty, try these. I don't know any technician want to go through all that, take this off just to try some O-rings. And mind you guys, the O-ring kit is incomplete. It don't have the O-ring for the cooler. Watch this video right here where I was highly upset. I tried to rebuild my own oil-fit adapter housing in my Dodge Journey. That car came back in a week. Not even a week. She called me and told me her heater don't work. It was losing coolant. So I took it back off, took it apart. Lo and behold, the two O-rings. I don't know. Yeah, so if you're going to make an O-ring kit, at least make it complete. Look, this one got all orange seals. I don't know what this come out of. Now, guys, this is where I'm going to take, remember I told y'all I do not have a oil pressure tester. So I'm going to drill a hole right here and put me a gauge fitting in here so I can tie in a gauge, screw this on the housing, and run an oil pressure test. That reading will be a result from the pressure in here. Okay, I assume that's the oil pressure that you're looking for. Remember, guys, this oil pump on this car is dual stage, meaning it's never the same. Depending on the RPM or where you have the accelerator pressed, will determine how much pressure you get. It's dual stage. It's not totally RPM dependent, but it is dual stage. So that oil pump is I've replaced a few oil pumps. Okay, so the moral of the story is, I didn't mean to bore y'all for 8 minutes talking about foolishness, so this gonna have to be a Saturday video. Give y'all a break from car videos Monday through Friday and upload talking chit chat videos on the weekend. So this is what this will end up being. All right, guys, so I got work to do. I might fire the camera up and do a video on how to replace a valve body, depending on how busy I am. All right, but for now, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.